Today it was the day of the quarters of finals of the top half of the draw, and Nadal was supposed to beat easily Schwartzman, but it wasn't easy at all. Nadal had to fight, and finally he lost his first set in this tournament, but first set also in 3 years, because he had won without losing a set last year. And so it was 37 sets in a row won by the Spaniards. And Schwartzman not only won the first set, but was up 3-2 in the second when some rain came down and the match was suspended. When the match was started again, well, Nadal was able to win 3 games in a row, going from 2-3 to 5-3, and then the match was suspended again, and this time indefinitely. So the match will start again tomorrow. I mean, and like the one between Cilic and Del Potro. Cilic and Del Potro were playing their first set. They were on the tiebreaker, 6-all. 6-all, but 5-all in points, and after the Cilic had been leading 5-3, but he missed 2 easy unforced mistakes, and so so Del Potro is happy to be there, even if before the tiebreaker he had 6 break points in total, which he was not able to convert. In the women's draw, Simona Halep won again versus Kerber, like she had done already in the semi-final at the Australian Open, where she had to save match point. It was a battle, 3 sets, while it wasn't at all a battle. The one that Sharapova won, the one that Sharapova lost to Muguruza. Only 3 games for the Russian girl, only 70 minutes for the whole match. So we better see what will happen tomorrow with the prosecution of the 2 matches suspended, and of course the 2 semifinals, women's semifinals, Halep versus Muguruza, and they are 1-3. I mean, Muguruza is up 3-1, but Halep won the only clay court match. And then there is a match between the 2 Americans, Madison Keys and Sloane Stephens. It was a final at the US Open. Sloane Stephens had won it, and she had won it also the other match, so she is up 2-love in the head-to-head, but anything really can happen in that match. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye from Roland Garros.